Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this TM NGRS CQBR model. So obviously lovely replicas, obviously all full metal, recoil system, bolt stop. So this one is level 1 and it has a EagleSix upgrade spring to get the power requested for the customer, and that's 268 on 3 2s. We've also got the gold Prometheus bar kit that goes in the back there. It's basically a conversion kit that just changes the proprietary connection over to Dean's so that you can attach any battery. And I believe we'll be providing 2 of the 1300s with this order. And obviously we've then converted that adapter that comes with it over to that adapter kit. We've just converted it to Dean's for you, so because it comes as standard as mini Tamiya. And that's pretty much it for this particular one. We've obviously range tested, and now we just want to stress test it on video for you. The Prometheus bar kits are by far the easiest way to just convert over to a normal connection on these. There's no soldering, no chopping or anything like that. You just literally put the connection kit in the tray that it comes with after removing 3 screws, and then that's it. You've just converted your gun over. It still maintains the sliding wireless stock system, which is nice, because obviously there's no trapped wires in there, and as you can see, obviously performance is perfectly fine. So it's all tested and working. So yeah, any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you enjoy the gun, yeah, like I say, have fun.